Good morning, everyone. Yeah, till 2.7 we have done, and today we have to start the exercise 2.8, right? Before that, I want to explain you that what we have to do in this exercise. Firstly, what we have to do, that is addition and subtraction together, right? Earlier we have done that separate addition and separate subtraction, right? Now we have to both things together. So what we have to do in this, look here, to solve the sum involving both addition and subtraction, what we will do? Go stepwise, right? Firstly, carry out addition first and then subtract from the sum, right? Subtract the number that has the minus sign in front of it. So what we have to do, if both addition and subtraction is together, so firstly we will solve the addition, right? Addition, like here, this is the example is here, you can see this one and this one we have to add, right? And what the sum will come, this is the sum. From this sum we will subtract the number that has the minus sign, minus having this number, so we will subtract this number from the sum, right? In this way we have to solve. Now I am explaining this question for you. This is 437 plus 1542 minus 1398. So firstly, the step 1, add the first number to the number that has plus sign. So first number we have to add the number which having the plus sign in front of. So this is this number having the plus sign, so add. Now 437 plus 1542. Start addition. 7 plus 2 9, 3 plus 4 7, 5 plus 4 plus 5 9 and 1 here. So this is the sum, 1979. Now the step 2 is, from the sum subtract the number that has minus sign. So this number having the minus sign. So from the sum is 1979, we will subtract minus 1398. Now start subtraction. 9 minus 8 1. 7 cannot subtract 9, so 7 will take borrow from this 9. So now this is 17 minus 9 is 8. Here 8 left, so 8 minus 3 5 and 1 minus 1 0, right? So the answer is 581. Now look at the exercise 2.2. Now I am starting question wise. Question A is solve stepwise. Stepwise means same addition and subtraction is together. So first part is 4617 plus 2415 minus 5918. You can see addition and subtraction both are here together, right? So we will go step by step. So first step is add the first number to the number that has the plus sign. So this is the first number and this number having the plus sign, so add both. So 400,617 plus 2415. 7 plus 5 12, 2 here 1 carry, 1 plus 1 and this one 3. Then 6 4 10, 0 here 1 carry, 4 plus 2 6 and 1 7. So 7032 is the sum. So now step 2 is, from the sum we have to subtract the number that has the minus sign. So this number having the minus sign, so this we will subtract from the sum. The sum is 7032 minus 5918. Now start subtraction. This 2 cannot subtract 8, so it will take borrow from where? This 3. So now this is 12 minus 8 4. Here 2 left, so 2 minus 1 1. 0 here, 0 cannot subtract, so take borrow from this 7. So this is 10 minus 9 1. So now here 6 minus 5 1. So the answer is 1114, right everyone? Now third part I am taking for you. This is 7315 minus 4782 plus 1508. So the first step is add the first number and the first number to the number that has plus sign. So this number having negative sign, minus sign, so we will take this number, this having the plus sign. So add this number and this number. 7315 plus 1508. Addition to 5 plus 8 13, 3 here 1 carry, 1 plus 1 2 plus 0 2. 3 and 5 8, 7 and 1 8. Now this is the answer, this is the sum, right? 8822. Now from the sum we have to subtract the number that has the minus sign. So minus sign having this number 4782. So subtract this. 8823 minus 4782. Start subtraction. 3 minus 2 1. 2 cannot subtract 8, so this is 12. Take borrow. 12 minus 8 4. Here 7 left. 7 minus 7 0. Here 8 minus 4 4. So answer is 4040. Now look here, the sixth part also of question number A. This is 8350 minus 6805 plus 978. The first step is add the first number to the number having the plus sign. So add 8350 plus 978. When you will add 0 plus 8 8, 5 plus 7 12, 1 carry, 9 plus 3 12 and 1 13, 3 here 1 carry, and 8 plus 1 9, right? This is the sum. So the next step is from the sum subtract the number that having the minus sign. So this number having minus sign, now subtract this. So 9328 minus 6805. 8 minus 5 3, 2 minus 0 0. So 3 cannot subtract 8. So 3 will take borrow. So 13 minus 8 is 5. Here 8 left, 8 minus 6 2. So answer is 2523. Now question number B is find the number that is. Question is saying 563 more than this. So to find the number which is more than, what we will do? Add, right? Add to find the number. The number which what we have to find, that for that we have to do addition. So the number they given 8978 plus 563. Add it. 8 plus 3 11, 1 here 1 carry. 6 plus 7 13 and 1 14, 4 here 1 carry. 9 and 5 14 plus 1 15, 5 here 1 carry, 8 and 1 9. So this answer is 9541. So 563 more than this is what? This much, 9541. Now fourth part, 4329 more than 12167. Again more than we have to find, so we will do addition. So right here 12167 plus 4329. Addition start from here once. 9 plus 7 16, 6 here 1 carry. 6 and 2 8 and 1 9. 3 and 1 4. 4 2 plus 2 6 and 1 as it is. So the answer is 16,490. Now come on question number C. That is find the number that is 2867 less than 7853. So we have to find the less than, the number which is less than this much from this. So we have to do subtract, right? In that question more than is there, so we did the addition. Now here less than, so we will do the subtraction. So now 7853 minus 2867. Start subtraction. 3 cannot subtract 7, so it will take borrow. So this is 13 minus 7 6. Here 4 left, so 4 cannot subtract 8. So it will take borrow from this 8. Now this is 14 minus 6 8. Here 7 left, 7 cannot subtract 8, so it will take borrow from this 7. So now 17 minus 8 is 9. Here 7 given borrow, so here 6 left. So 6 minus 2 is 4. So the answer is 4986. Look, third part also. This is 437 less than 1041. So again we have to find the number that is less than. So we have to do the subtract, right? Subtract to find the number. So right here 1041 minus 437. Start subtraction. 1 cannot subtract 7, so it will take borrow. So this is 11 minus 7 4. 4 given borrow, so here 3 left. So 3 minus 3 0. 0 cannot subtract 4, so this will take borrow from this one. So this is 10 minus 4 6. So here 1 given borrow, so here 0 left. So this is 0. The answer is 604. Now look at the sixth part. This is 3715 less than 10,113. Again less than, right? So we have to do subtraction. Write the number 10,113 minus 3,715. Start subtraction. 3 cannot subtract 5, so it will take borrow from this one. So this is 13 minus 5 8. 1 given borrow, so here 10. 0. So 0 will take borrow, so this is 10. 10 minus 1 9. 1 given borrow, so here 0 left. So this is taking borrow from this one. 1 given borrow, here 10. So this 10 will give borrow, here this 10 and this 9. 10 minus 7 3. Here 9 minus 3 6. 1 given borrow, so here 0 left, so this 0. So the answer is 6398. I hope so that A, B, C, all three parts are clear to you. Now look at the question number D. What is the question? This is what should be added to red. What should be added to? We have to find. So first is saying 1672 to get this. Means we have to find the number that what we have to add in this, that the answer we will get this. So for that what we will do? Subtract to find the number to be added, right? We have to what we will do? Subtract to find the number to be added. The number which we have to add in this, how we will get? After the subtraction. So start subtraction here. This is 3400 or 3400 minus 1672. Start subtraction. 0 cannot subtract 8, so it will take borrow from here. This is also 0, so take borrow from this 4. So this is giving borrow here. This is 10. Then 10 will give borrow to here 0. This is 10 and this is 9. So 10 minus 2 8. This is 9 minus 7 is 2. Then here 4, 3 left. So 3 cannot subtract 6, so it will take borrow from here this 3. So this is 13 minus 6 7. 3 given borrow, so here 2. 2 minus 1 1. So the answer is 1728. Means when we will add 1728 in this 1672, then what the answer we will get? This 3400 or 3400. Now see third part. This is 2783 to get 4511. Same thing, what we add to in this, that we will get this. For that what we will do? Subtract to find the number to be added. We will do subtract. So start. This is 4511 minus 2783. 1 cannot subtract 3, so it will take borrow from this 1, right? So this is 11 minus 3 8. 0 left, so 0 cannot subtract 8, take borrow from this 5. So now here this is 10 minus 8 2. Here 4 left, 4 cannot subtract 7, so take borrow from this 4. This is now 14 minus 7 7. 4 given borrow here, so here 3 left. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So the answer is 1728. Right. So when we will add this 1728 in 2783, then we will get 4511, right? Now look sixth part also. This is 675 to get 3256, right? So again we have to do the subtraction. 3256 minus 6075. Now start subtraction. 6 minus 5 1. 5 cannot subtract 7, so take borrow from this 2. So this is 15 minus 7 is 8. Now here 1 left. So 1 cannot subtract 6 to take borrow. So this is 11 minus 6 5. Here 3 given borrow, so 2 left, so 2 as it is. So answer is 2581. So when we will add 2581 in 675, what we will get? 3256. Right everyone? So what you have to do the practice of these sums and complete all the questions in your notebook, and please do more and more practice of these sums. Thank you.